Good morning, children. Have you ever wondered what is the proper way of washing dishes and why we clean our dishes thoroughly after using them? Today we are going to learn about washing dishes. Yes, you heard me right. Washing dishes. In this lesson, you will define what dishwashing is, explain the step-by-step process of dishwashing, show the importance of dishwashing efficiently, and execute dishwashing in your own homes effectively. So now, are you ready? Come, join me. For all of us, dishwashing is a boring household chore, but there's just no escaping doing this chore at home. Why? Because clean dishes and utensils are important to family health. Bacteria grow on dishes and utensils that have not been thoroughly cleaned, rinsed, and dried. Dirty dishes, utensils, and food scraps left sitting in the kitchen can attract cockroaches, mice, or other pests. So, what is dishwashing? Dishwashing is the process of cleaning used and dirty dishes, glasses, cups, cutlery, pots, and pans. Washing it well, ready and safe for the next use. For dishwashing, we need a basin, dishwashing liquid, and a sponge or a scrubber. So how do we wash dishes? First, scrape all the leftover food from the plates. Next, fill a basin with clean water. Take the dishwashing sponge and put some dishwashing liquid. Make sure to squeeze the sponge a few times to create enough suds. Then, wash the dishes in proper order. And you ask, what? There is an order? Yes, there is. We wash in order to do the chore efficiently. We start washing the less dirty items. These usually include glasses, cups, and the flatware such as spoons, forks, and knives. Next is to wash the plates, saucers, and bowls. After that, do the pots and pans used in cooking. For these items, wash in the right order too. Wash pots and pans from the least dirty and the least greasy. Make sure to wash the bottoms of the pots and pans. And what's next? Now we rinse. That's right, we need to rinse the sudsy items. Fill the basin with new clean water. Rinse by dipping the sudsy items in the basin. We rinse in order too. That makes sense, right? Dip the glasses, cups, spoons, forks, and knives in the basin. Be sure to rinse inside of cups and glasses. For the sharp knives, be careful. You can ask your elder siblings or your parents to handle it for you to avoid accidents. After that, dip the plates, saucers, and bowls in the basin too. Then rinse the pots and pans. You can rinse twice to make sure all these items are squeaky clean and all the suds are totally gone. And because the world is facing the threat from COVID-19 pandemic, the World Health Organization stated that just because something looks clean does not mean that it is. It takes over 2.5 billion bacteria to make 250 milliliter of water look cloudy. But in some cases, it takes only 15 to 20 pathogenic bacteria to make one sick. So, rinse well. And lastly, put all the washed items in a dish rack to drip dry. Or you can line up all these items in a clean towel to dry. Make sure everything is clean. Did you get all that? The process usually goes like this. First, wash the glassware and drinking items. Then the cutlery, spoons, forks, and knives. Then your plates, saucers, bowls, and dishpans. And lastly, the pots and pans. Rinse as many times as necessary and dry. And you're done. Do you think you can follow these steps the next time you wash dishes? I bet you can. Do it! Don't forget to scrub the sink too. Wipe and leave it clean and dry, free of bits and pieces of food. And that's all for this episode. Happy dishwashing, everyone! Thank you for watching.